Hello, my name is Nurliana binti Muhammad. In this video, I will talk about a research on the effectiveness of affordable housing program enhance home ownership in Shah Alam. For introduction, affordable housing programs such as Rumah Selakuku were introduced to help households in Shah Alam achieve home ownership despite high property price. However, issues such as poor location, financial barriers, and lack of livable community facility may limit their long-term effectiveness. This study emphasizes where this program truly supports sustainable home ownership in Shah Alam. This study had two main objectives. First, to identify the challenges faced by M40 and B40 households in Shah Alam, and second, to evaluate how effective government housing programs are in improving access to affordable homes for this income group. For variable have two types. First is independent variable and second is dependent variable. In this study, independent variable includes aspects of housing program such as pricing, location, application process, and eligibility rules. Dependent variable is the improvement in home ownership measured through respondent ability to purchase, their certification and participation rate. For the questionnaire design have four sections. First section is section A is collect demographic information. For section B is explore challenges in accessing affordable housing using a light scale. For section C, look at awareness and participation in housing program, and the last section is section D, measure the perceived effectiveness of this program. For sampling technique, this study uses non-public sampling, combining convenience and snowball sampling. The survey link was shared online and respondents were encouraged to forward it to others. In total, 30 complete responses were collected. For data collection process have four steps. First step is create the survey using Google Form with clear question and answer format. Second step is share the survey link through WhatsApp group, social media and personal contact in Shah Alam. Step 3 is collect respondent over a 2-week period, allowing participants to complete the survey online anytime. Step 4 is automatically record response in Google Sheet for easy organization. And the last step is transfer the collected data from Google Sheet to SPSS for analysis. Next is about method of analysis. The data was analyzed using quantitative and qualitative method to understand the survey result. Quantitative data include demography and likely scale rating were summarized with frequency, percentage and mean score in SPSS, with reliability checked using Combat Alpha. For qualitative, response for open-ended questions were analyzed thematically, identify common terms such as complex application process, lack of information and bad location. This combination of method helps explain both the number and participants experience with affordable housing in Shah Alam. This is bar chart by using frequency analysis. This is used for demographic questionnaire. First bar chart is gender that shows the survey respondents were slightly more male with 56.67%, while female made up 43.33%. This shows a fairly balanced gender distribution. Second bar chart is age. The majority of respondents were young adult, aged 20 to 29 years old, make up over 90% of the sample. This is relevant because this age group is typically critical in the stage of a starting career and consider home ownership. Third bar chart is about education that show most respondents 70% hold a degree. This indicates that the sample is relatively well educated, which may influence their knowledge and participation of government housing program. It's about a monthly income that show most respondents are between RM 1,001 and RM 4,999 per month, which represent the M40 and B40 income group. Only a small percentage earn more than RM 5,000, showing the sample reflect the target population for affordable housing program. Next is housing situation bar chart. Almost half of the respondents are renting, while 40% live with family. Very few respondents currently own a home, include government housing. This highlights the relevance of study as more participants are potential benefits of affordable housing program. And the last bar chart is household size. Most households consist of 3 to 4%, followed closely by 5 to 6%. Large household size may increase financial pressure, which can affect the ability to buy a home and the need for affordable housing option. The reliability of questionnaire was tested using Combat Alpha, which result in a value of 0.725. This indicates acceptable internal consistency, meaning the survey question really measure the intent factor. For the conclusion, this study found that affordable housing program in Shah Alam, like Rumah Selangorku, face issues such as unclear information, high costs, and inconvenient location, limiting their effectiveness. Improving communication, simplifying the application process, and building house in accessible area can help more residents become homeowner and make the program successful. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.